Is this where Miss Seong Gi-Hun lives?
I'm Gaia. Who are you?
I'm an acquaintance of your father's. I have a gift I was instructed to bring you, miss.
Is that box from my dad? Did he send you here? So we could see how I've been doing? You know what? You could tell him that I stopped waiting to hear from him a long time ago. I'll pretend my dad doesn't exist and he can forget about me too.
These were your father's belongings. Mr. Seong Gi-Hun has passed away.
We are not horses. We are humans. And humans are